In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Woocommerce product to an Activecampaign automation. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to streamline their business operations and keep everything running smoothly between your online store and marketing efforts. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the entire process. First, we'll start by heading over to the Activecampaign website. You'll find a link to this in the video description. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. This will bring you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Make sure you type in your account name correctly to avoid any login issues. Once entered, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. After successfully logging in, navigate to the settings by clicking on the Settings option, which you'll usually find in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Within the settings, you need to find and select Integrations. This section is where all the magic happens, and it's crucial for connecting and managing your various services. When you're in the Integrations section, look for the Add an Integration button and click it. This will bring up a list of available integrations. Scroll through or use the search function to find Woocommerce. Clicking on Woocommerce will open up options to input your store's URL. Now, a quick tip here, make sure that you have your Woocommerce URL handy. This is the URL of your online store, and you'll need to type it accurately to establish the connection. Once you've entered your Woocommerce URL, check everything for accuracy one more time. You certainly don't want to mistype anything at this step, as it will prevent a successful connection. With your Woocommerce URL properly entered, the only step left is to click on the Connect button. This action will establish the link between your Woocommerce store and Activecampaign. Be patient, the process may take a moment as the connection is being configured. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your Woocommerce product to an Activecampaign automation. With this integration, you can automate tasks like customer engagement or order follow-ups directly from your Activecampaign dashboard, saving you both time and effort. Don't forget to verify the integration by checking if Woocommerce data starts appearing in Activecampaign, which will confirm everything is properly set up. If you run into any issues, revisiting each step might help solve potential problems. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and guides just like this one. See you in the next video.